How to fix messages not sending on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem is by checking your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is good so you would be able to send messages to all of your contacts, okay? And make sure that you test your speed internet, or your internet speed, so you can make sure that you're in the clear, okay? So preferably I would recommend you to use internet close to 5G, so you can actually have that fast connection with other people, okay? So probably it is from the internet connection. If you still face that same issue, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to our settings, okay? And from here I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, all right, until you find messages, okay? And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna toggle off the iMessage, okay? And I'm gonna toggle on again the iMessage, and it says right here waiting for activation, and that should fix that problem. And it says right here iMessage uses wireless data to send messages between Apple devices. That should fix that problem. If it didn't, go back to your settings again, and we're gonna scroll up a little bit until you find general, okay? And from here, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down into transferring or resetting iPhone, okay? So I'm gonna click on it, I'm gonna go ahead into resetting, and I'm gonna reset network settings, and from here I'm gonna go ahead and add my passcode, and that should fix that problem of not sending any message, okay, or not receiving any message from the other party. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.